Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Me Tech video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Spotify Jam on your mobile device. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and open the Spotify app. And after you open the Spotify app, you're going to want to choose your profile picture here in the top corner. So once you tap on that, you're going to see an option for settings and privacy. Go ahead and choose settings and privacy. And then next, you're going to see an option here for privacy and social as you scroll down towards the middle of the next screen. Go ahead and tap on privacy and social, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the next screen. You're going to see the option for Jam. Now you're going to see an activate button. So once you tap on activate, you're going to see an option to get started. And once you get started, it's going to ask you to go to your settings to enable your Bluetooth. So when you tap on this green button here, it'll automatically go to the settings of your Spotify on your device. And you're going to want to go ahead and just toggle the Bluetooth on like that, and then go back to the Spotify app. It may send you right back to the home screen of your Spotify app. So we'll just go right back there and I will show you that it has now been activated. So we'll go back again to the privacy and social area and then back to the Jam. And now you're going to see an option that says learn how. So you're going to tap on that, and then you're going to tap on next. And then you're going to see there that it tells you that you're ready to go. Now you need to make sure that the other person that you're going to be listening to Spotify with is also has enabled their Bluetooth under the Spotify app. And you're also going to want to make sure that you're both connected to a speaker. Then you're going to bring your phones together, close together, and then you will notice that the Spotify will sync so that you can both listen to music in the same spot. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Take care.